Friends, welcome to Souptober. This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Every Sunday in the month of September, I'm going to drop a new soup recipe. Ones that me and my husband really enjoys, and I hope your family will enjoy them too. Okay. We're going to start with 2 jars of whole tomatoes. You can also use diced tomatoes. What I like to do, these are straight from my garden. Actually, I think I just canned them last week. Now I like to take a meat chopper and just chop them up. You could use an immersion blender, but I'm not all that. If you want to be fancy, do the emulsion blender and get fancy with it. It'll cook down and they'll eat it. I'm sure they're going to eat it. I normally do 2 cans of, this is 2 cans of kidney beans. I sometimes do 1 can of kidney, 1 can of pinto. Right now I don't have the pinto beans, so we're using what's in our cabinet, which I suggest you do, as expensive as groceries are. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin, and I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, or get our pepper to taste. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin, and I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, we're going to add 2 nice stalks of celery. This helps stretch our soup. Okay, I'm frying up 2 pounds of hamburger and 2 onions for 2 recipes, one of which is our hamburger recipe. Added our 1 pound of hamburger and our 1 onion to our chili. Now we're going to cook this for 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low. Chili, and we did pretty good at about eating down our chili. We really enjoyed this. And on these cool days, it was kind of nice. Nothing like a nice bowl of chili.